In Edmonton, Calgary, and many other smaller communities, thousands of healthcare workers took to the streets of Alberta Thursday, demanding a, quote, better deal from the province. Roughly 60% of Health Sciences Association members recently rejected a new contract with wage increases of 3% a year.
These members stood up for themselves and said, no, enough's enough. And now it's time for this government to hear us and bring back an offer that these members can vote on.
HSAA represents more than 22,000 pharmacists, physiotherapists, paramedics, and other health staff. They claim their wages have fallen behind inflation and the system is dangerously understaffed.
It's to the point where ambulances, they're waiting sometimes 2-3 hours to get an ambulance, and it's just ridiculous.
The sign carried by this paramedic, a reference to a recent Alberta Next panel where the Premier's executive director said a high school student needed a spanking for asking an off-topic question about the teachers' strike.
Your parents should turn you over your knee. Let's go over here.
Feels like that's how the government is treating us, like we're children that need to be spanked, and not essential workers who the province would pretty well collapse without.
Unlike teachers, the HSAA has not yet taken a strike vote, but its president says that could happen soon.
We're talking about delayed EMS response, delayed therapies, delayed surgeries. Healthcare will shut down because without HSA members that are on the street right now, there is no healthcare in this province. That doesn't mean we're not ready to talk.
In a statement, the finance minister's office told City News, "We are committed to reaching a fair and fiscally responsible agreement that supports healthcare workers and protects taxpayers." But the NDP says the government is to blame for all of this.
The labor unrest we're seeing in so many different sectors is caused by an incompetent UCP government right now, a government that doesn't respect workers and because of their actions is responsible for the healthcare system being in chaos and for public education getting worse.
This political scientist agrees this is about more than just inflation, lagging wages, and growth pressures. He believes many public sector workers feel disrespected by the UCP government.
You can see that in ways that go beyond the contract negotiations, like the book ban, and the belief that teachers are grooming elementary school students to become transgender, right? That's all part of this.
Teachers are set to strike on Monday. These health workers could hold a strike vote in a couple of weeks. From Edmonton, Sean Amato, City News.